Right, we can see what you're doing, huh?
I'm a Padmash person. Yeah, I zone out a lot. Yeah, it's really not fun. My toenail went boo boo. And then.
So with me today is the cast of Auro Mein Kaha Dum Tha. It's a romantic thriller written and directed by Neeraj Pandey sir. Now I've got Shantanu Maheshwari over here, best known for his dancing skills and of course his previous movie Gangubai Kathiawadi. And also Sai Manjrekar over here, best known for Dabang 3. So both of you, welcome to Red FM. Thank you so much for joining me. कैसा लग रहा है?
Thank you.
Thank you.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है? ऐसे
Yeah.
तुमने किया नहीं?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है। नहीं, इसके पहले का पार्ट बताए क्या हम क्या रूम का एक्सपीरियंस ये हम लोग वेटिंग तो खेल लेते वो भी पता
कैसा लग रहा है? Okay, so I'll start.
मस्त लग रहा है feel exciting very powerful.
So we'll start with Shantanu. You guys can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Right, we can see what you're doing, huh?
I know. What about you thinking?
ऐसे बोल दिया अभी देखो
अरे
Like-
शांतनु का फेस आएगा ना जब वीडियो आएगा तो मैं कुछ भी करूँ यहाँ पे.
अच्छा ठीक है. So
Yeah.
we'll start with Shantanu. Shantanu, थोड़ा सा हमें मूवी के बारे में आप बताओ. ट्रेलर से मुझे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आ गए कि ये क्या चल रहा है. ये स्टोरी को मैं ऐसे बांध नहीं पा रही हूँ. So you give us an insight about what is औरों में कहा दम था all about. What's in store for the audience?
So it's a love story and it's a love story जो कि span होती है 23 years में 23 approximately years में span होती है and obviously we have been the younger version of the characters Krishna and Vasudha and Ajisar and Tabu ma'am are playing respectively the adult version of the same character and इसमें नीरज पांडे सर का thrill and twist element है and म्यूजिक बहुत अमेजिंग है. इट्स समथिंग दैट आजकल अभी के दौर पे ऐसी मूवीज नहीं बन रही है. इट विल गिव यू इट हैज अ नॉस्टैल्जिया वैल्यू टू इट एंड इट विल टच योर हार्ट यू नो. सो बेसिक क्रक्स अगर मैं बोलूँ तो ये सारी चीजें.
How was that experience like? मतलब how far is the character of Vasudha from your original character? Like tell us a little bit about Vasudha ka character.
I think Vasudha is somebody who is very innocent, but at the same time she's seen a lot of the world. She wants to see more. She's very ambitious. She's a very sweet person, and she's also, I think, very fierce. So there's many layers to her. I feel like she's an onion. Let's peel away at her to kind of find out who she is. And I feel like the entire love story is so beautifully crafted in a way where you can see how Krishna kind of peels back those layers and kind of gets to who Vasudha really is, and how similar is she to me.
Yeah. Your original personality.
She's apparently innocent. I'm a Padmash person, so that is somewhere. I mean, a lot of people tell me that I look innocent, but I genuinely just feel like telling them, I mean, I'm happy, please. But I feel like telling them, घर आके देखो मुझे एक बार, पागल कर देती हूँ मैं सबको. So I think it's just my face. That's
What does Shantanu have to say about this? But you're the right person. Is she telling the truth?
Yeah. Looks can be deceptive. ऐसा उसने बोला है कि वो look
Are you saying I
दिखती है
look?
बहुत
I look.
दिखती है बहुत इनोसेंट टाइप बट है भी इतनी मतलब है उसमें मस्ती बहुत है. I mean, शरारत इट्स वेरी लाइक बहुत मस्ती खोर तो है. मतलब उसकी आंखों में दिखता है बट अगर आप सही से देखोगे ना तो ऐसा कि कुछ चल रहा है खुराफाती अंदर.
I can get a little
अलग ही
bit
चल
of
रहा है. या तो जोन आउट होके अपने ड्रीम वर्ल्ड में भी जाती है वो बीच में.
Yeah, I zone out a lot. Yeah, it's really not fun. It's really not fun to be in my head.
I'll ask Shantanu a long question. Wait for you to zone out and just like spring a question on you.
It happens so many times. And I'll tell you, the first 2-3 interviews with Shantanu, I used to be very attentive. I used to listen to everything he says. Then you realize the questions are quite similar. So his answers are also more or less on the same line. So then I start zoning out. Then I'm just like, हाँ पता है क्या बोलने वाला है.
I'm removing all the monotonous questions जो आपने पहले भी आंसर किए। मुझे कृष्णा के कैरेक्टर के बारे में आप बताओ, जैसे कि वसुधा के कैरेक्टर के बारे में साई ने बताया। Tell me a little bit about Krishna. Who is Krishna?
Krishna is this guy from a small town shifted to Mumbai, and you know, एक एक एस्पिरेशन है उसके, अपने आप को कुछ बनता हुआ देखना चाहता है, एंड उसके लिए ही इज नॉट शाइंग अवे फ्रॉम एनी काइंड ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. At the same time, I feel he's very intense and he's mature because he has seen life early. He had tough upbringing, so he has seen life. He's street smart. So and एक मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना कि आई थिंक ही बिलीव्स इन दैट काइंड ऑफ लव वेयर लाइक प्यार एक ही बार होता है टाइप से, जो होता है वो अलग ही होता है जिसके साथ होता है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ ही वाज इन लव विद वसु, एंड या देन
How?
आगे के लिए
Yeah.
सेकंड को आइए.
हाँ ठीक है
Movie
ठीक है, आगे के लिए मूवी देखेंगे. Sai, tell me this. What part of the whole shooting process was the most challenging for you? The most challenging bit?
The most physically challenging was this one part where I had ripped off my toenail, okay, once while doing something. It like ripped off and it was bleeding and it was really bad. The entire thing came out. Probably shouldn't say such graphic things or anything.
I'm one of those
Sorry.
people I can visualize as you speak.
My toenail went boo boo. And then
Right, we're gonna keep that. Okay, so
so
what
my
happened?
toenail went boo. And I remember the same night I was shooting a scene in which there was a lot of walking, running, a bunch of things to do. I think that was the most physically challenging for me because I remember after every scene I used to sit, I don't know if Nancy would remember, I used to sit on a chair like an idiot and redo my dressing and then do the scene again and redo my dressing. And it was just, it was
Especially the holy
physically,
sequence, it was very difficult for her. Holy sequence also
Yeah.
because of the saline water around. So,
yeah. The holy sequence was fun though. Like I enjoyed the color in my lungs. It was
Okay,
yeah, but no, I think the toughest part of this film physically was that, but otherwise it was. I thought it would be like a lot of scenes that I was freaking out about and thought it would be so tough. And then Neeraj sir just came in to the workshops, took over, and everything just seemed so clear. And we knew exactly, we had our work cut out for us. So we knew exactly what we had to do. And yeah, that's what I'm just so grateful to him.
nice one.
And Shantanu for being such a great partner.
same for you.
What about you, Shantanu? What was like the most challenging sequence for you? Like I could never imagine you doing like all the fighting scenes. Like, yeah, the trailer में जो bits दिखाए. So which is your most challenging sequence?
I don't see, well, apart from, as I said, like, exploring the character and understanding the thought process, I don't see it as a physically challenging. I find it fun. I find it like interesting to, do these sequences. I look forward for it. I feel like my potentials are being explored and I want to experience these things. So be it your fight sequences, I was loving the fact that, I'm getting a chance to do a fight sequence. And Neeraj sir was like trying to, मतलब वो मेरे पे उतना भरोसा दिखा रहे थे कि I will be able to pull such a sequence, with that kind of intensity. And पहले initially डर था कि ऐसे कि अजय सर की इंटेंसिटी मैच कर पाएंगे क्या, बट देन नीरज सर ने कहा कि यार तुम इतना, हाँ मतलब इतना प्रेशर मत लो, मतलब let the character grow and you'll understand. I'm there to guide you. And the way he guided us was best. I mean, it was just easy after that. कि अच्छा ठीक है, ये समझना है, ये चीजें आउट, ये चीजें आउट, ये चीज पे ध्यान देना, ये चीजें आउट, इस पे ध्यान देना. So it became very easy for us and not to, होता है ना unnecessary pressure ले लेते हो आप कि अरे मेरे को ये इनके shoes fill in करने हैं, तो वो सब चीजें काफी हट गई. So I enjoy challenges. I enjoy working like that. थोड़ा सा ऐसा process है मेरा दिमाग का. So that's how I approach.
लेकिन जब आप ऐसे फाइट सीन सारे शूट करते हो, ऐसे इंजरी होने के चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं, राइट? Something like that happened with you as well?
No, luckily it didn't happen to any one of us. Like in terms of मुझे भी नहीं हुआ, ना ही किसी टीम में से किसी को हुआ, because I feel we all are responsible for each other, so we make sure that कि मुझे भी नहीं लगनी चाहिए, उन्हें भी नहीं लगनी चाहिए, because चलो ठीक है, मतलब मेरे को तो 10 जन आ जाएंगे, उनको शायद इतने लोग नहीं आएंगे देखने के लिए, but I think it's just important कि as a team, as a camaraderie, we have to work really in sync with each other, ताकि किसी को भी चोट ना आए, and smoothly चीजें हो, and luckily touch wood, as I said, मुझे कोई इंजरी नहीं किया.
Okay, so like throughout wherever I've seen your videos and things like that, you both share a very friendly
Do you realize
bond.
that I went away and I came back?
Yeah, we did notice.
Yes, we
I
did.
didn't want to interrupt.
Okay. I was like, I don't know what happened because my Wi-Fi died, so to come in my room now. It was a little funny. Anyway, sorry.
क्या हुआ सारी?
I think Mercury is in retrograde because मेरे सारे technological चीजें crash कर रही है आजकल, so I don't know what is happening. I'm sorry. Now we'll move.
No. Let's stay on that topic. Are you superstitious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very.
Shooting शुरू करने से पहले ऐसा कुछ किया था? That.
हाँ, every movie के पहले we do a small puja at home, Satyanarayan puja.
अच्छा.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, nice. Nice.
For anyone, for like, and Ganpati, so we are all very fond of, I have about. So I feel like at some point in life, we've told everyone that we love Ganpati so much that everyone has decided to gift us Ganpati. So in my house, I have probably 100 Ganesha murtis everywhere because everyone decided to gift them.
Okay.
And there are many more which my mom was like, office में लेके जाओ, यहाँ लेके जाओ, यहाँ घर पे रख दो, गाड़ी में रख दो. But I feel like that is something that my family is very, very, very passionate about. Like 11 days in Ganpati Sai is unreachable.
Wow. I think that's the story of everybody's house. उनके पास काफी सारे gifted Ganpati होते. Ganpati is one of the most loved gifting items. Everybody considers that as good luck. Somehow I feel Shantanu can't relate.
No, मेरा बीच में नेटवर्क चला गया था, इसीलिए you are finding those expressions of not being.
Yeah, आपका भी network crash हो रहा है ना? I'm telling you, Mercury is in retrograde.
Right. Okay. Okay. So I see a very nice bond between you two. Like you have like great chemistry. So ये ऐसे bond कैसे बना? Set के दौरान या you knew each other before that? How did that happen?
I don't think we knew each other before that. Like we never met before we met for the film.
Yeah.
But I remember I had gone in for the test and I met Shantanu and he was the sweetest on the first day only. So I was like, okay, now I know I can annoy this boy. So that was my 2 cents. I was like, anyone who seems like they're being sweet to me, I'll start yapping and annoy them.
Nice. What about you? पहली बार साई से मिलके कैसा लगा?
I like the thing, and she was like very comfortable. So I was like, okay, please, yeah. I mean, initially I was bit this thing कि ये सच में इतना सब share कर रही है. Is she like this only? कि if she doesn't care who am I or she knows me, ऐसे समझ में नहीं आया. But then I realized, like, obviously with meeting her again, like she is like that. If she gels along with someone or if she finds comfort, then she's like, she can be herself. That kind of.
How cute. I love that. I love people like that. I feel that they are like the purest from their heart.
Yeah, that she is, I think, yeah.
Yeah? Oh,
yeah,
I think I can see some tears. Okay, so Sai, you must be the youngest on the set, no? You're 22.
No, there was little babies also. In the chawl, who lived there. I don't like when I'm not the youngest on set, but because then everyone babies me. Here I was babying other babies. Like I remember when I just started out, I used to be the youngest on every set. And I used to feel so special. And now, for this one, I was like, yeah, I'm the youngest on set. And an 8-year-old sweetheart, cutie girl.
Yeah.
She was so cute. And then I was like, okay, now my time to baby someone else.
Okay, so what are the advantages, disadvantages of being the youngest? You're literally Gen Z, so yeah. What is the advantage or disadvantage? being the youngest on the set?
Advantages are everyone treats you with a lot of pyar. Like, so much pyar you get. Everyone's like literally, I remember this one time, someone came to me and they asked me, "Baby ko juice chahiye?" And I was like,
So cute.
"Chahiye." It was a very weird thing. But like the second they said, "Baby ko juice chahiye," I was like, "Huh." I didn't even want juice. And the second they said it, I was like, "Yeah, I want it." Disadvantages are people think Gen Z are emotionless and they're a little bratty, which they're not. They just put out that like it's like a
Mask.
facade. I feel like there's more to them than you can see, and I don't like when people come in with prejudice and assumptions about me, saying she will be like that, she will be like this because she's young. I'm not. I'm an old soul.
So describe yourself. How do you describe yourself? Not baby that I got.
How do I describe myself? कि खुद की तारीफ तो नहीं कर सकती, खुद की बुराई
कर
भी नहीं कर
सकते हो
सकती.
ना.
I'm kind of middle ground.
आराम से कर सकती है यार.
I think I'm going to describe Shantanu. Shantanu can describe me.
Yeah, done. Okay, superb. Describe
Wow.
Shantanu. You'll have to describe Sai first, since that was the question, and then Sai can describe Shantanu.
मैं तो आधी चीजें बोल दिया मैंने सही बार, but she's very gullible.
I get out of things
Okay,
easy.
I'll say.
Wait, she's very gullible. Did you just call her
she is.
gullible?
I am.
But she is.
Sad.
She is.
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
She's honest. She's honest, and she's very grounded and rooted. In spite of people saying that she's from industry and this and that, but she has her roots in the right places. Which is really cool, and she's very sweet, very sweet. And अपने में मतलब एक है उसका अपने में रहती है, very family oriented, which is nice. Family and friends, like that's her go-to thing. मतलब काम खत्म, I have to go, I have to meet, I have to in a good way. I'm not saying like she's not approachable in terms of like you will she'll never say hi to you, or she'll never meet, or she's in her own bubble. No, what I mean is like she looks forward to it. Like in the morning, maybe like family घर से निकलना and then going back home is something that she looks forward to, because she gets to meet her whole दादर का what do you call friend circle. Yeah. So that's very sweet.
Yeah, that's really sweet, Shantanu. Actually, that is exactly how I am. That's really weird.
But what about Shantanu?
Really, I do talk to you.
How do you?
I think Shantanu is, first of all, he's really smart. He's very, very smart, I've realized, in the past few days. I mean, I always knew he was smart. I never thought he was stupid. But in the past few days, doing like these interviews and promotions with him, I realized he's very smart. He's a very chill person. Like, I've never seen him overreact or even like have a burst. Like, I sometimes, like, I don't know if he's noticed, but sometimes I go a little like, but I've never seen him annoyed, angry, sad for that matter. I've always seen him happy with a smile on his face, which is an amazing energy to be around, honestly. Because when you're having a weird day or a bad day and you go on set and Shantanu is always smiling, it's really fun.
So,
Yeah, and he has lovely hair,
that will
Wow.
agree. Yes.
which he's touching right now.
Okay, so एक controversial question पूछूं.
आप
You
पूछ
both-
लीजिए, आंसर दे दीजिए ना हमारे ऊपर.
हाँ, चलो ठीक है. So the question here is comes from a place where people understand how much of an impact Bollywood movies have on us. So जितना मुझे ट्रेलर से दिखता है, Vasudha has a husband and she is in love with somebody. So in real life, would you be okay with your partner being in love with somebody else when you're already married to somebody?
Oof.
I just feel it totally depends on a lot of other scenarios. I mean, you can't just have something like ऐसा black and white वाला question answer नहीं है.
ये बहुत grey area
It was lot of
है.
situation. Yeah, it was lot of situation. What if something that what if I am aware of this? We have discussed about this. So And love can be in a lot of ways, I feel. So, ये डिस्कशन वाला है, इसका कोई राइट या रॉन्ग आंसर मुझे नहीं लगता है होगा.
From what I can see from the trailer, Jimmy Shergill का जो character है, that knows कि Vasudha is in love with Krishna, and ऐसा at least मुझे तो लगा trailer से, but how is that character okay? There was no real.
That's what I'm saying. Again, I will slightly put in 2nd August is the release date of the our film.
Problem क्यों नहीं है? जिमी जी को problem क्यों नहीं है?
Get the full scenario. To know the full scenario, please do come watch the movie. But yeah, say your take on this.
My take on what?
On this, like, would you be okay
On
with the
this-
partner?
Oh, I thought I'd gotten out of answering that one. I thought Shantanu was
Controversial question रखा है.
Would I be okay? It honestly depends. It depends on what the history is, what the story is there. If I'm aware about it from before, or if it's something that's been hidden from me and I've suddenly found out, then obviously it would be like a.
Yeah.
So honestly, I agree with Shantanu when he says it depends from situation to situation. But yeah, pretty much that. Like I don't know if I'm that understanding as some people are, but again, depends on the situation.
I like your honesty.
Depends on the situation, and also I would like to say, like, depends on the intensity of your love.
Right.
Really? That would matter?
Yeah, it will matter a lot, I feel.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna ask her this question. What do you think?
No, I'm like,
हम दो
if you
लोग
love
answer
somebody else,
करा।
तो जा. मेरे पास मत आ. If you're in love with me, stay with me. Otherwise, please go. तो ऐसा-
Yeah, they say that you should always be with someone who loves you more than you love them. मेरे को भी समझा नहीं वो लॉजिक पहले नहीं पढ़ा पर ऐसे बोलते हैं.
Yeah, so it does not matter कि वो मुझसे ज्यादा प्यार करता है या कम प्यार करता है, but सिर्फ मुझसे ही करता है. I'll be honest there. I don't have a diplomatic answer. ठीक है. One last question. What's the craziest thing that you have done in love? And you can maybe Shantanu can go first, and then I can get.
Craziest thing that I've done for love.
चाहे वो one sided रहा हो, crush के लिए रहा हो, कुछ भी ऐसा crazy thing that you've done in love.
I
आप
don't know,
प्यार
for
में
me,
पागल
I
कभी
don't
नहीं.
know. I feel beauty lies in small gestures. So I don't know, ऐसे grand कुछ नहीं है. मतलब just taking care of your loved ones in whatever small ways. I think that is more than grand gestures or anything. No offense to people who do it. मेरे लिए वैसा है. That's what
अच्छा.
I'm saying.
You're a
तो मेरे
mellow.
को ऐसा क्रेजी ऐसा था कि मैं इधर पे चला गया या कुछ कूद जाऊंगा, ऐसा टाइप का हुआ नहीं है मेरे साथ. या कि मतलब अगर तुम हाँ नहीं बोलोगी तो ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा. Something of that sort has not happened with me. So
And what about you, Sai?
I think everything I've done in love is borderline crazy, so I shouldn't talk about it.
एक तो बता दो.
But
किसी को आइडिया
I
ही मिल
don't
जाएंगे.
know
मैं बोला
what
ऐसी
you
बात.
नहीं. Ideas तो नहीं देना किसी को.
नहीं, but बता
But
सकते
I'll
हो.
tell you one of the crazy things I've done. Huh. I mean, it's not like I'm not physically harming someone. It's not like that crazy. It's crazy for me. Like for me to, in retrospect, think, अरे मैंने ये किया, मैं पागल हूँ क्या? Types. So it's I remember I just started liking this one person, and तब ना मेरा बहुत crafty kind of, my hands were like very crafty for some reason. I wanted to do craft. So I'd written him a 200-page journal with pictures, and yeah, it was, and I filled all 200 pages up. And I remember my friends were helping sticking stuff, and they were like, "तू पागल है क्या?" And then हाँ कर लो, stick it. Yeah, so I've done. I go all out. I'm a little weird.
No, that's not weird. I think that's the only way to love. प्यार ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, है ना?
Yeah.
तो डरना क्या does not apply to people who play safe. डरने वाला काम आप कर नहीं रहे.
That's true. I agree.
Yes.
साउंड पे 93.5 रेड एफएम
बजाते रहो